Hey, Sean Brace here with Skull Shaver, and today we're checking out the Beast Clipper. The Beast Clipper is a cordless clipper. It comes with a lithium-ion battery that powers it up to 1 hour for use. The clipper has extra wide blades with adjustable cutting lengths. It easily trims thin or thick hair or beards. The shape, size, and design give you several different ways to hold the clipper, making it easy to reach all parts of your head. You can hold it in between your fingers like this. You can reverse it in between your fingers like this. You can hold it on the sides like this. Or you can hold it on these sides like this. The clipper head pivots into one of several positions, making it easy to get the right angle. In addition to the adjustable clipper teeth, the clipper comes with 8 different length combs. There are 4 straight combs and 4 tapered combs. The tapered combs come with a left and right comb and are shorter on one side than the other, making it easy to give yourself a tapered haircut or trim. The straight combs are the same length all the way across. The clipper comes with a cleaning brush so you can brush out the clippings when you're done. For a deep clean, just pop the head off like this and rinse underneath. To put the head back on, just line up the tabs and gently press down. So if you're looking for an easy to hold clipper to cut your hair, shave your beard, or even cut your child's hair, check out the Beast Clipper from Skull Shaver.